of stories. Life is full of stories. Learn from stories of life. Your life will change for better. Your life will change for better. Your life will change for better.
One day, a young man called Roland was on the road driving his car when he had an accident and he hit another young man named John. John had to be taken to the hospital. After John was discharged from the hospital, Roland and his wife went to John's house to sympathize with him. Roland and his wife appealed to John not to take legal action against Roland. John and his family were furious and called Roland all sorts of names. John threatened to press charges against Roland. Roland and his wife were chased out of John's house in annoyance on that fateful day. In court, Roland was prosecuted for dangerous driving and sentenced to 24 months imprisonment. 7 years later, John was ill with kidney disease and he needed a new kidney. John's doctor, Dr. Eze, told him that he needed to get a new kidney immediately, or waiting for too long will lead to a kidney failure. Few days after, Dr. Eze informed John that the hospital has found a kidney donor for him. John was very excited. Dr. Eze went further to say that the person who promised to donate the kidney insisted on seeing John in order to pray together with him before donating. Dr. Eze took the donor to John's ward and it turned out to be Roland. Roland remembered that it was John who caused him to prison 7 years ago. John could also recognize Roland as well. John cried bitterly and begged Roland. Roland, being a devoted Christian, accepted John's apology. He moved with compassion and hugged him. Roland eventually donated his kidney to John. Moral lesson: we should learn to forgive one another. This can be found in the book of Ephesians chapter 4 verse 32. Be ye kind one to another, tender-hearted, forgiving one another, even as God, for Christ's sake, has forgiven you. Similarly, the book of Romans chapter 12 verse 17 to 21 says, we should not pay evil for evil. Life is full of stories. Learn from stories of life. Your life will change for better.